Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry syrup from dried berries. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of dried elderberries, 3 cups of water, and 1 cup of honey or maple syrup. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a fine mesh strainer. This simple recipe is a wonderful way to support your wellness with natural ingredients. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding process. Now, let's begin the simmering process. Combine your 1/2 cup of dried elderberries with 3 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. The liquid should reduce by nearly 1/2, concentrating the elderberry goodness. This slow simmer extracts all the beneficial compounds. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool for a few minutes. Next, carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl, pressing the berries to extract all the juice. Discard the spent berries. Once the liquid is warm, but not hot, stir in 1 cup of honey or maple syrup until it's completely dissolved. This adds sweetness and acts as a natural preservative. Finally, pour your freshly made elderberry syrup into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. For adults, a common dosage is 1 tablespoon daily, while children can take 1 teaspoon. You can enjoy it straight, or add it to tea, smoothies, or even sparkling water. It's a delicious and simple way to incorporate elderberry into your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.